Now, when I was a small child, you know, when even aunties said that you was cute or sweet, we didn't say cute very often where I came from. I thought that my dad knew everything. You know, what's the capital of Egypt? Cairo. A stitch in time, how many does that save? All those sort of... And I thought, when I grow up, I'm going to be like my dad and I'm going to know everything. I'm going to understand everything. Well, 60 odd years later, do you know what? I'm more confused than I was when I was 3 or 5, whatever. Anyway, as by now some of you know, I'm making some doors to create some cupboard space. And if you want doors to open, you need hinges. And although I've got bucket loads of hinges, I didn't have any the right size to do this particular job. And this is the style of hinge that I wanted. For those of you that think that this is a French lesson, let's just zoom in. A hinge, pommelle. Good, yeah, okay. Fantastic. And I'm making 4 doors. So I need 4 left-handed hinges and 4 right-handed hinges. And the shop had 4 right-handed hinges. And they had 3 left-handed ones. So I spoke to Frank, and Frank gave me one of those Gallic shrugs, said he was sorry, said there might be a delivery on Friday. What he did do, they all carry these fantastic little sort of gizmo things that you touch and they light up and you can touch them. And anyway, he did make a note that they haven't got any of these. So that's all good stuff. Anyway, in common with all countries in the world, you can't pick things up off the shelf and walk out without paying for them. So we go to the till, where I was served by Mylene. Yeah, she's always very pleasant, very helpful. And after the transaction you get a bill. But here's a little mystery for us. Why are left-handed hinges €3.10 for a pair, and right-handed hinges are only $2.95 for a pair? Well, I asked Mylene, and she's younger than me, bless her, so obviously not as wise, and she admitted she didn't know. So there's a little mystery of life. Why are left-handed hinges made in the same factory with the same number of pieces of metal? Why are left-handed hinges a different price to right-handed hinges? If any of you know the answer to that, or if any of you can suggest an answer to it, please, in the comments, keep it clean,